guys, what's up? Crazy Redneck back here again. Do a short video. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of weird. I still haven't fucking put my soybean or my combine video when we were doing soybeans. So I'm probably gonna upload that video and then upload this video right away. But yeah, we're combining some corn. Pretty good corn. It's 146 average. Average moisture is about 18% on this field. Fucking auto steer doesn't want to fucking stay on or something. God damn it, fuck you. Oh, excuse that language, but it's been a long day. It's been a long harvest. Still got a shit ton left to go. And after I get done with all this lovely corn, I get a disc all of it. And the last field, which is right to the west of here, that's roughly 300 acres there. This is about another 300 acres. So that's 600 acres, and there's probably another 500, 600 acres scattered in different fields that I have to get disc before it gets too fucking frozen, so I can actually get the fucking disc in the ground. Which, who the fuck knows if that's gonna happen, because I know I waited a week after we got done harvesting corn last year, and that was still a week too fucking long. So right after corn, I'm gonna hop in the tractor and get the fucking fly, get the disc and some corn stock. The other guys are gonna be putting down anhydrous. Yeah, get this shit done. Yeah, it doesn't help. We're filling up about every fucking 5 minutes with corn. So the grain carts are keeping pretty busy, but yeah, it's gonna make a short video. This Crazy Redneck signing off. So,